Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the third lecture of Important MCQs series for UPSC EPFO 2020. In this series, we are covering important topics with the help of MCQs, and in our third lecture, we are covering MCQs based on industrial relation and labor laws. This topic is very important for your upcoming examination, so you can subscribe to Educare 247 for further updates. Humanity is going through one of the biggest crises from their existence, and at this moment, knowledge and science is the only hope. You are also advised to not roam around unnecessarily, sit at your home and maintain social distancing. While sitting at your home, you can easily prepare for UPSC EPFO 2020. Educare 247 is giving 50% discount on their comprehensive course, and this course is very much important for your preparation. Under this course, we are covering the detailed syllabus. We are providing 10,000 plus MCQs. Test series will be also there. Our content are very crisp and concise, and live doubt session will be taken care. You will get the 1500 discount and the course will be for 1499. So visit our website Educare 247 and subscribe to this course. The first question is, the factor which caused variation of minimum wages in India are: the first is prices of essential commodities, second is paying capacity, third is productivity, fourth is difference in exchange rate. Now you have to tell what is the reason for the variation of minimum wages in India. The answer is D. All these four are the reason. So in India, basically the variation of wages between state and center is due to socio-economic, agri-climatic condition, prices of essential commodities, paying capacity, productivity, and local condition influencing the wage rate. And one more thing, center and state both has different law and they have different jurisdiction, so accordingly they impose the minimum wages. That's why there is no uniform law, so variation will be there. So this is the reason for the variation in the minimum wages across the India, across different state. This is very important point. Keep this point in your mind. The next question is, which of the following area where central government is exclusively competent to enact legislations related to labor? Now you have to tell the area where only central government can make the law. Option A is trade unions, industrial and labor disputes. Option B is social security and social insurance, employment and unemployment. Option C is welfare of labor, including conditions of work, provident fund, employer's liability, workmen's compensation, old age pensions and maternity benefit. Option D is regulation of labor and safety in mines and oilfields. So basically the answer is D. Labor is a subject of concurrent list in the Constitution of India, where both center and state governments can make the law, but some area is exclusively competent for the central government, and that is regulation of labor and safety in mines of oilfield. Next is industrial disputes concerning union employees, union agencies and institution for vocational training. So in these three areas, central government can exclusively make the law. There is no say for the state government. That is very important point, and it can be asked in your examination. The next question is, as per the Factories Act, adult means a person who has completed how many years of age? The answer is D. 18th. Basically, in Factories Act 1948, section 2A says that an adult means a person who has completed his 18th year of age, and for adolescent, section 2B says that an adolescent means a person who completes his 15th year of age but not his 18th year of the age. So between 15 to 18 is called adolescent. And for child, section 2C says that a child means a person who has not completed his 15th year of the age. So you can remember these important sections. It can be asked in your examination. And one more section is there, competent person, that is section 2CA. It says that any person or institution recognized by the chief inspector for the purpose of carrying test, examination or inspection. They are called competent person, and this point is given in section 2CA. These sections are very important. It can be asked in the examination in any form. The next question is, which of the following section of Factories Act 1948 talks about facilities for sitting? The answer is C, section 44. See, in factories there are various kind of job, and many jobs require to stand for a long period of time, but there is a human limitation to stand up. Human wants some rest for the efficiency. So in section 44 it says that factory should provide suitable arrangement for sitting for workers. This is important because whenever worker gets some free time, he or she may be able to take some rest so that it can enhance their efficiency. And second is, if chief inspector finds that any work can be done by sitting efficiently, it can instruct the factory to provide the sitting arrangement for the person. So that is also very important. It is the right of inspector. It can give direction to the factories to provide sitting arrangement. The next question is, Bonded Labor System Abolition Act is the result of ratification by India of which of the following convention of ILO? The answer is B, Forced Labor Convention 1930. So basically International Labor Organization has 8 fundamental conventions, and this Forced Labor Convention 1930 is one of them, and it is very important to suppress the use of forced labor in all its form. So basically it is called as Convention Concerning Forced or Compulsory Labor 1930, and that is number 29. This number is also very important. In examination it can be asked, Forced Labor Convention is mentioned in which of the following number, and that is number 29. So forced labor is banned across the industry. It's not in one industry you can use the forced labor, in another industry you can not use the forced labor. Across the industry it is banned, and it is defined as all work or service which is exacted from person under the means of any penalty, and for which the said person has not offered himself voluntarily. For any work, if person is not doing that work voluntarily, or you have put some penalty on that, that will be called as forced labor. So this is banned across the industry, and only exception is there, compulsory military service. In some country that compulsory military service is there, that will not come under the forced labor convention. So that is also very important point. Remember all this point, it can be asked in the examination. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.